If you've been hearing a lot about Claude AI lately, but have no idea what it is or where to start, this video is for you. Because in this video, we're going to break down and explain what Claude AI can do in simple, easy to understand language. Okay, let's get into it. Start by signing up for free by going to Claude AI. After you've logged in, you'll be brought to this screen. All right, first question of the day. What is Claude? A good place to start is to think of Claude as your work and thinking partner. Very similar to your ChatGPTs of the world, but it can do more stuff and is arguably way better. For example, you can click in this prompt box and ask Claude to write, let's say, an email about a certain subject, answer some questions, plan an event for you, analyze a spreadsheet, create visuals, and even brainstorm with you. Next, artifacts. In simple terms, think of an artifact as being an output that Claude creates. For example, a large document, spreadsheet, file, or image. The main advantage of using artifacts is that when you open it, you can see it and edit portions of it in real time. Next, projects. Think of a project as being a special folder within Claude that lets you store related topics together. Once you add your items to the project, whenever you open that project and type in a prompt, Claude will use only the items within that specific project to create its response. Next up, connectors. Connectors let Claude pull data from other apps like Gmail, Notion, Microsoft, Figma, and others. Once you set up your connector, Claude can then reach into those tools and work with the information that actually lives directly in your workflows. Moving along, let's talk about skills. In simple terms, skills are a set of instructions. These instructions are reusable and intended to save you time. For example, you can use skills to summarize a meeting or edit a newsletter. Next up, plugins. Think of a plugin as packaged instructions designed to give Claude the ability to do a specific task or function. Claude also has add-ins for popular apps like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. These add-ins let you do heavy tasks with ease. For example, you can ask Claude to analyze a spreadsheet and build a dashboard with charts and KPIs, or create deep, robust presentations. Speaking of design, within Claude, there's a feature called Design that lets you create presentations, web pages, and even app interfaces just by typing a simple prompt. Moving on, another powerful feature that Claude offers is something called Cowork. Cowork is a desktop app that helps you do tasks directly from folders on your computer. With Cowork, you tell it what you want to do, and Claude will plan, execute, and deliver the finished work autonomously. Furthermore, with Cowork, you can also install specialized plugins that take Claude to the next level. For example, some popular plugins are Claude for Small Business and Claude Finance. The Claude desktop app also includes a feature called Claude Code. Claude Code can write computer code for you, or if you're a developer, you can build, debug, or point Claude to your code base. Within Claude Code is something called routines. Routines are action-based, not time-based. The main idea behind a routine is if something happens, Claude will take care of it automatically. And there's Claude explained in a nutshell. Now, here's some other videos about Claude that take things a little bit deeper.